Okay, so here we go. We're going to thread the upper thread mechanism on the Pfaff 1245 compound feed walking foot machine. Okay, so first is to go through this little guide right here. Okay, and get a little bit of slack, about a foot or so you have enough to work with to get through the entire mechanism. This little disc has got a little spring behind it, and you want to get right in between that outer disc and the inner disc and push it down and to the back, and it's going to fit inside a little groove in there so that it can't come out. So get enough downward pressure and backwards pressure so that it'll lock up into that little thing in there. Okay. So now you're going to load through the tension discs in a clockwise direction. So go into the top of it and then pull out all the slack and then go up and around behind this little pin. Can you show that, Travis, right there? See that little itty bitty pin right there? So you want to get that thread between the disc, behind the pin, and up and over so that it comes over that pin and then goes straight back down. That's the key to lacing up that tension disc device. Then you're going to go in between these two discs here for the check spring. Okay? And as you get to the check spring, I like to put my finger right here and put a little tension on the thread, so when I pull the thread all the way up, it goes all the way up and into that little groove right there. I'll do it again so you can see. Okay, so you get it in there between those two discs, and now it's underneath the spring, but it's not fully inside that little groove there. So pull it all the way up and get it to go behind that groove, and then the check spring's held down, or the thread will be held down by the check spring. Okay, so now go in from the side here and go into this thread guide. Okay, now into the take-up lever. I can't see, sorry. I'll get my face in the way. Okay, and back into that same thread guide again. There's a little, I had Mickey Mouse one because the original one wore out and broke a long time ago. So go through the needle bar thread guide and then into your needle from left to right. Left to right, and then between the feet and out to the back. So if you've already got your bobbin loaded, then you're already good to go. All right, this is Al Bain for Leather. Pay it forward.